guys, well, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the vending machine that I made. So yeah, let's get right into this video. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I don't have a coin right now, so I'm going to start with a coin. Here's the button. Then you can get up to 3 prizes. This time I got 1 prize and I got Piggy. So I'll do it another 2 times. Okay, so I'll just use one of these. I know, I'm just using random things. And then this is on the side, just if you need to put the coin through more. There we go. This time I got Marie. Okay, again. There we go. And pull this again. And this time I got Shiny Alice. I like her. So these are the 3 ones that I got. And now I'll turn it around and show you the inside. But first I'm going to put these back in. Okay, so this is the inside. This is the bit where all of them go on. Then there's a card here, and then this is the coin bit. Oh, I've not got a tub for the coin bit yet. So this is the prize section, and then there's like a ramp and stuff, and there's where some sit. So they'll fall down here into this bit, and they'll sit here. So then once you've put your, you put your coin in. And if at any point this falls, it's okay. It's okay if it does that. Get through. Put your coin in. Okay, and now your coin's in. Then, from the front, you'd be pulling the thing. And then, it'll either fall down this ramp and into here, or it'll just straight away fall into there. So now we'll turn it around. And it's right at the back. It had to be at the back. It was like this. And I got anger. So it's called There She Blows and Co. And it's called There She Goes because there's whales. There She Blows. And also instead of There She Goes. So yeah, that's my vending machine. It's got instructions here, and so because there's 2 ways to do it, I'll show you the other way to do it. So the other way to do it is put your coin in. The coin is actually the hardest bit, believe it or not. So although the way I'm going to show you is a harder way to do it, and then you get this and pull out. Oops, there's on it, but then you shake it until it comes out. And I got 2 this time. So there's more. If you do it that way, you'll get more. But if you do it this way, you'll just get 1. But I just do it this way because I think it's easier to do it this way. Because if you do it sliding back and forth, then it might take a little longer, and a little while longer. So it says inside the coin, slide the wheel, this is the wheel. Keep sliding it back and forth and collect prize. So it's a pretty simple vending machine. So yeah. Doop, 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 doop. All your prizes to be won. Doop, 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 doop. So that was my vending machine review kind of thing. Oops, that was my fault. That wasn't just the machine. That's because I didn't put it back on it. That was my vending machine review. Bye.